Even the happiest marriages hit rough patches. Fights happen. Silent treatments follow. But do you want to know a secret? It's not the absence of conflict that makes a marriage strong. It's how you handle it. In this video, you'll discover 5 smart and heartfelt tricks to resolve marriage conflicts and grow closer through them. Because marriage isn't about winning an argument. It's about protecting the bond you promised to cherish. Tip 1. Choose the right time to talk. Timing is everything in marriage. Bringing up an issue when your partner is tired, hungry, or stressed will only lead to a bigger blow-up. Here is the trick. Set a safe time to talk. Say, "Can we talk about something important later this evening when we're both calm?" Respectful timing equals better outcomes. Tip 2. Use the soft start rule. How you start the conversation matters. Don't begin with, "You never help me around the house." Instead, try, "I feel overwhelmed lately. Can we talk about how to share the chores?" This soft start keeps your partner from getting defensive. Tone builds trust, even in conflict. Tip 3. Learn the 20-minute cool down. If you feel like yelling at your partner, pause just for a moment. Say, "I need 20 minutes to clear my head. I love you, and I want to solve this respectfully." Take a walk. Breathe and calm your mind. When. Then come back with peace, not pressure. Marriages break when fights escalate, not when they pause. Tip 4. Replace blame with curiosity. Instead of accusing, start exploring. Instead of, "You don't care about my feelings," ask your partner, "Can you help me understand what's going on from your side?" Curiosity softens anger. It opens hearts. You're not enemies. Your partner's trying to find a solution. Together. Tip 5. Always end with reconnection. No matter how tough your argument is, end it with a hug. Or a simple, "I'm glad we talked. I still choose you." Reconnection after conflict is glue for a marriage. It says, "We may fight, but we never forget we're on the same team." Your marriage might not be perfect, but with the right tools it can be powerful. Disagreements between you don't mean disaster. They mean you both care enough to want better. So try these 5 tricks this week and watch your bond strengthen, even during storms. Comment below. What's your go-to way to resolve arguments with your spouse? Like this video, share it with your partner, and subscribe to Marriage Realities for more real talk about love, marriage, and connection. Let your love lead, even through your conflicts.